Good day, everyone. Welcome to Academic English Learning. It's Milimis with you. So, today I'm going to take a mock test to my students of class 5 and 4. As you know that you have the previous curriculum and you have to approach your half-yearly exam. So, I have selected a few grammar topic for you. So let's start. Today mainly I will show you interchange of tense where you have to change the structure of tense for present and past tense and identification of noun, and also there is a small part of conjugation of verb. Okay. So here is the question. It can be a sample question. There can be 5 questions, but I have set 6. So in this way, you have to change the tense. These sentences are written in one tense, and you have direction to change it to another. Okay, let's go for the next. It's a sample question of identification of noun and pronoun. It can be any other parts of speech like verb and adjectives and all these. I have set only 2, that is noun and pronoun. You will find sentence in this way. It would be underlined or it could be bold lettered in the exam, and you have to change these, and you have to identify the noun pronoun from this, and then it's interchange of verbs on conjugation of verbs. I have selected all weak verbs. You have to write the past and past participle form of the verb. So I think it can be a good sample question for you, because many of you are confused how the question can be set, how can be the grammar. So both for the students of class 4 and 5, you can get question like this. Let's match. Okay, so I have solved this, as many of you may be confused. The first sentence was I am leaving. I mean, here the answer is given past continuous. I was leaving for Dhaka. Then I was very glad, past simple. Then past perfect. Someone had stolen my pen. I mean, the answer is written in the correct order. And how can you write the answer? For a tense, you do not need to write the question. You will just at first write the name of the tense and write it in full sentence. No need to write the question. Write only the answer. Okay, and then present perfect continuous. We have been staying at Dhaka since 2000. Past perfect. The train had left the station before we reached. Again, past perfect. It started raining after I had returned home. Here one thing is important, as I said in my classes also, that if you find connector as before in past perfect, the previous part would be past perfect, and if you find after in past perfect, then the second part would be past perfect. Then we move on the next, that is identification of noun and pronoun. Okay, the jury are divided in their opinion. Here the jury is a collective noun. Water has no color, water material noun. Listen to what your teachers say, what relative pronoun. And how can you write this answer? You will write the word, I mean the underlined word, and write the name of the noun or pronoun. If you get time, you can write the full sentence, but it's not necessary. Whom did you see? Whom, interrogative pronoun. This pen is better than that. This and that, demonstrative pronoun. Okay, here one thing I want to mention, that the sentence, listen to what your teacher say. Here what is relative, but whom did you see? Here whom is interrogative pronoun. Why? Many of you are confused. So the thing is that if we get interrogative sign at the last part of any sentence, then it becomes interrogative and the WH question must be interrogative. But if we find WH question but there is no interrogative sign, rather it connect two clauses, like listen to what your teachers say. Here what connects two clauses, like listen to and to your teacher say. So it is relative pronoun. Not always WH question is interrogative. So there is a slight difference that you have to get it, that if it connects to clauses it becomes relative pronoun, but if it is used for making any question, then it must be interrogative. Okay, then this pen is better than that, this, that, a demonstrative pronoun. Okay, thanks for watching, and I think this video would be helpful for my students. And please mention what type of videos related to your English you want to watch in our channel. We will try to help you, and stay connected with us and stay connected with academic English learning. Okay, that's all for now. Goodbye.